grinder. One who grinds something, such as the teeth. Anatomical, a molar. A power tool with a spinning abrasive disc, used for grinding, smoothing, and shaping materials, usually metal. U.S. Regional, a sandwich made on a long, cylindrical roll. A kitchen gadget for processing coffee, herbs etc. into small or powdered pieces. The restless flycatcher, Myogra inquieta, of Australia, which makes a noise like a scissors grinder. Music, slang, a fan or performer of grindcore music. Slang, a biohacker who uses cybernetic implants or biochemicals to enhance or change their own body. Slang, dated, a student who studies hard, a SWAT. Slang, dated, a person who coaches students for an upcoming examination. Ice hockey slang, a hard-working, physical player with limited offensive ability. Lawyer slang, a low-ranking attorney with no clients who works very hard. U.S. military, slang, an outdoor space for drills and parades. G R I N D E R grinder.